Hello, today we will guide you through how to add admin to an Instagram page. If you need to give someone admin access to help manage your Instagram presence through Meta's business tools, this process is fairly straightforward. We'll walk through where to go, what to click, and what to expect along the way so you can complete it smoothly. To begin, open Meta Business Suite. This is where Meta allows you to manage connected business assets, including Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, and team access. Make sure you're signed into the correct business account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one account. Starting in the right place helps avoid assigning access to the wrong business. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, look to the bottom left-hand navigation menu and click Settings. This area contains your business permissions, account access, and asset management controls. If you don't immediately see what you need, take a moment to confirm that the menu is fully expanded so the Settings option is easy to find. After the Settings page opens, go to the top right corner and click Invite People. This is the option used to add a new person to your business setup. When you select it, Meta will open the invitation flow, where you can begin entering the person's details and assigning the appropriate level of access. Next, enter the person's email address in the invitation field. Be sure to type the correct email, since this is where the invitation will be sent. If possible, use the email address the person checks regularly and can access right away, because they'll need it to accept the invitation and continue with the setup. After entering the email address, click Next and follow the on-screen procedure. Meta may guide you through selecting permissions, choosing which business assets the person can access, and confirming their role. Read each screen carefully before moving forward so the person receives the correct level of access for your Instagram page. If admin access is your goal, make sure the permissions you choose reflect that before finalizing the invitation. Once everything is confirmed, Meta will send the invitation to the email address you entered. The person you invited will need to accept it before their access becomes active. If they don't see the message, it can help to check spam or promotions folders. That's it. You've now gone through the process of adding an admin to an Instagram page through Meta Business Suite. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide made the setup process clear and easy to follow.